So as long as this bounce right here off of 68, it's holding, we believe the price is going to all the way to 797. So right there, okay, 797. Right, and on a break of 68, then we humbly believe that it's gonna go all the way to 58. That's it. That's all we gotta do. Long this bounce right here. Straight line, I don't think so, but stop, break even, start trailing. That's it. Now, is he gonna take this? Is he gonna take this? Right? So, is he gonna take 78? That's the confirmation that it's gonna continue. That's the confirmation that is going to test 83, break it, 85, break it, 88, break it, boom, 97. This one right here. 78. That's the confirmation. So, bulls in control right now on its way to 97. They still need to conquer 78. It's not going to be easy. It's going to be a choppy open, but we know exactly what to do. As long as 68 is not taken, and we are counting on, of course, because the bulls are in control right now, we're counting on the market to eventually break 78. It's not going to be easy, but that's what we're expecting. So, let's write it. I just couldn't take it. So what do you think is happening right there at our high of the range, 78? Jumping the gun, sure, because they know that we are in this range. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So the short, right? Because we buy support, sell resistance, 78 resistance. Short, we know. Right? We know that this is the high of the 10-point range that the market's going to be leaping up and down. What else? It couldn't take 78. So there is no confirmation that the market is going to go to 88. What do you think is happening right here? This is the low. Exactly the same thing that happens right there at 78. Buying. Clean break of 68, where is the price going? We all know exactly where it's going, and that's confirmation that it is going to continue going. And remember what I told you, 51% to 49, that longer term, that it is the low, the one that is going to be taken. So if you believe on the longer term trend, then you short the high, and right here, right now, you're counting on the price to break it. Is it gonna break it easily? Of course not. It's support, right? It's the low of the range, so it's not gonna be taken easily. But longer term, small odds that this is the one that is gonna be taken. That's all there is to it. To go where? 58. Did it break? No. So what's going on right now? We are lipping up and down still. Okay, so there is no confirmation either way. Right? Teenagers low 63. I mean, if we are expecting the price to, if we're expecting the price to bounce off of 68, and we know that the odds are that eventually it's gonna break it. If it's gonna bounce off of 68, what do you think it's gonna do off of 83? You know, think about it, right? And the chop begins, and the chop continues. All right, but the short right here, 78, we are counting on a continuation to 58. It broke 68, so that's confirmation, and it's called chop. Bounce off of the next level, back up to confirmation is what people call fake breakouts, but we know better, right? All right. And as usual, we all know that everything I said can change in a split second, right? The market is dynamic, it's changing all the time. So we have to watch it minute to minute, second to second, tick by tick, so that we can analyze what is it that the market is up to. Can change any second. This 68 could easily become support, and now we have to change that. Oh, okay, that's it. Now we're gonna go to until I tell you so, we go with what I said last. Which, by the way, I like it because this is one of those sessions that the fake gurus and all the teenagers, master traders on YouTube, they get destroyed on a day like today. So I love this type of day. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's go to 58. We had confirmation, resistance, right? And that's why we're having this recoil, this nice recoil right here, right? So not only this 78 is a take profit, of course, from this bounce. It is also a counter trend short that, look at this, it goes from 79 all the way to 73. Yeah, that's not bad. That's not too shabby. All right, so this 78 right here, yeah, sure. Look at this beautiful mini buying frenzy. I don't think that we're going to easily take our high here. If taken, we all know where the price is going, but I don't think it will. Okay, so this short right here, resistance, which is what we do here, we buy support, sell resistance. This short right here, 78, in my humble opinion, it'll continue going all the way to 68. My humble opinion. Is that 68? All right, ladies and gentlemen, pretty good, right? Long the break of 68. And we knew it was going to test 78, 83, 85, and go to 88. Okay. Just like the... All right, so what's that? Oh, please, 87 quarter. Yeah. All right. Look, we wanted the price to go to 58 when we went short here, right? It went to 59, 1 point. And we're long right here, 68, and we wanted to go to 88. It went to 87 quarter. How do you like that banana? Okay, it is what it is. Anyway, this is a terrific day because all the teenager trading teachers out there on YouTube, they all got massacred today. And if they dare to have a trading room, which none of them do, they do, but they don't trade live. They don't read the market live. They get destroyed nevertheless. Anyway, so remember, ladies and gentlemen, we've got to leave it here. Time right now, 11:40, and it's just everything I said when I opened the room. Sideways, flanking action. If it's not live, it's not real.